Need to send large files without giving someone access to your Dropbox folders. Dropbox Transfer is designed for exactly that. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a transfer, add files, customize it, and send the download link. First, sign in to Dropbox on the web. Open the app menu from the left side and select Transfer. From here, you'll see your existing transfers and an option to create a new one. Click Create Transfer to start. You can add files by dragging them into the window, clicking Upload Files, or selecting Add from Dropbox to choose content already stored in your account. Pick whichever method is easiest for you. After adding your files, give the transfer a clear name. A useful name can make it easier for both you and the recipient to understand what's being sent. You can include documents, photos, videos, or other supported files. Next, open the transfer settings. Depending on your Dropbox plan, you may be able to set an expiration date, add a password, and turn on download notifications. These options give you more control over how the transfer is shared. Once everything looks right, click Create Transfer. Dropbox will prepare the transfer and generate a page that recipients can use to access the files. The files are sent as a transfer, rather than giving the recipient access to your regular Dropbox folder. Now choose Send Email to send the transfer directly, or choose Copy Link and paste the link into your own email or message. The recipient can use that transfer page to download the files, and they don't need access to your Dropbox folders. After sending it, you can return to the transfer section to manage your sent transfers. You can review transfer activity and, where available, adjust settings such as expiration dates or download notifications, so you can keep track of what you've sent. And that's how to use Dropbox Transfer. Create a transfer, add your files, choose the settings you need, and send the link. It's a convenient way to deliver files without sharing your normal Dropbox folders. Pretty simple, right?